Good morning. My name is Caleb Bush, and the title of my project is Shake But Don't Break. Have you ever been in an earthquake? I hope not, because during an earthquake, the ground shakes so hard and fast, it can turn sand into a liquid. That's why you should never build your house on sand. In my project, my problem or question is, does the type of soil affect how much shaking a house does during an earthquake? My hypothesis is, I think the house built on soft soil will have most shaking and most damage during an earthquake. But a house built on hard soil will have least shaking and least damage during an earthquake. And here are my variables, and here are my materials. In my procedure, I built a shake table to act like the P waves during an earthquake. Like, for example, with this slinky tool, P waves push and pull, like this. And I built 12 identical sugar and peanut butter test houses. And I built 4 different soil trays to hold each house. And I tested the houses during the earthquake and recorded the data results. Bedrock had 0 broken walls. Gravel had 1 broken wall. Aluminum had 3 broken walls. And sand had 7 broken walls. And the average for bedrock was 0, which means none of the houses will have some damage during the earthquake. And the average for gravel was 0.33, which means 1 out of 3 houses will have a little bit of damage during an earthquake. And the average for alluvium was 1, which means all the houses will have some damage during an earthquake. And the average for sand was 2.33, which means all the houses will have a lot of damage during an earthquake. In my conclusion, I learned that bedrock is the strongest type of soil to protect your house on during an earthquake. And gravel is the next best soil type to build your house on during an earthquake. Alluvium is not a good soil type, because if you build your house on alluvium and an earthquake comes, your house will have a lot of damage. Houses should never be built on sand, because if they are, they will be destroyed during an earthquake. Thank you. Any questions?